Right, digital mp3 player here. Here's an orange one over here, and turning it on. Sorry, button goes up, and there's music mode and set mode. Hang on. Okay, so right or left button. Despite there being 3 icons up the top, there's just 2 modes, so left and right button. And if we go into set mode, this top button M is like the button to get into things and to get out of things. Okay, so we can adjust the contrast, so that can go up and down if we go into it, and then you'll see a 6 there, and then you can do left and right to adjust that. Okay, now it looks better in this light, down at about 6, and then M to get out of it, and then we go over to E and we'll put it in English. Okay, hang on. M to get into the language, and this one was already in English, and then M to get out of that setting. And then the light setting, that's how long it stays on for. So 10 seconds is, you can have 0, 10 or 20. We'll put it on 20, and then M to get out of that. Now we go into music mode, press the M. Now I think what I need to do is put an SD card in for it to do anything. Okay, so I got the SD card out of this orange one, and I just used the end of my key just to push on it, and then it will just spring out. Okay, so I'll just put it in this one. Now I don't have 3 hands, so put that there. Alright, so I've got it that far in, and that is with the chip sticking up. Okay, so the gold part of the SD card, and it can be a TIFF card. The gold part was upwards. Okay, so I'll just get the key again so that I can push it in. That's just because my fingers are a bit too big to push it into the hole. Okay, so that was very easy. And then the headphones go over here, into there. Now what we've had flash up on the screen is, if I can zoom in on that. Okay, that's not... Anyway, it gives you the track number and the song and the volume. So obviously volume button down the bottom will adjust the volume. And if I go and press play, yep, that will be working. The time is ticking over. So volume adjustment, press volume, then you can see it's flashing in the top left corner, and then you press the left and right buttons to adjust it, and pause button in the middle. That might be all there is to it. And the screen will go black when you're not sort of pressing any buttons, but just switch it off to save battery. and that's a wrap.